Hello everyone, welcome to our webinar which is broadcast every Thursday at 11 a.m. I am Serhat and today's webinar topic is detection and control equipment used in gaseous fire extinguishing systems. These are the subtopics of this webinar today, which are project principles, EN54 standards, detection and control equipment used in gaseous fire extinguishing systems, purpose of usage, system design, products, working principle, and equipments. These are the contents of this webinar. We are going to talk about purpose of usage, system design, equipment, and project principles. What is it used for? In environments where water extinguishing effect is not sufficient or suitable, extinguishing systems with suitable type of gases are installed. In our country, gas fire extinguishing system design, material selection and application are made according to TS standards. Here is the schematic of the system design and operation and products used in gaseous extinguishing systems. This is extinguishing control panel and extinguishing status indicator unit. This is conventional smoke detector and this is conventional heat detector. Here are the sound notifications. This is fire alarm bell and this is sounder. Here are the two products that necessary for the extinguishing emergency stop and extinguishing manual release button. If necessary, extinguishing release is initiated to initiate extinguishing by the user, and emergency stop button is designed to wait for the extinguishing. If there are people working continuously in the location, these call points should be designed both inside and outside to the location. Otherwise, it will be sufficient for the set buttons to be at the entrance of the location. Here is the extinguishing system working principle. First of all, the priorities of fire effects are determined in the location where the gas extinguishing system will be designed. Cross-zone detection is done. At least two sensors in each zone and the sensor type of each zone must be different, such as smoke and temperature. If there is a suspended ceiling, raised floor, cabin or cabinets in the area, separate detection should be made in each section. Here are the operation. Here is a fire. Smoke and heat detectors detect the fire and extinguishing starts. Project principles. It's related EN54 standards. For the alarm buttons, other devices and systems, and operation of other fire protection system is also related to EN54 standards. Let's get into detail. Alarm buttons should be placed on escape routes, all doors inside and outside of the escape stairs, and all exits that open to the open air. They can also be placed next to the special hazards or firefighting equipment. When it comes to other devices and systems, fire extinguishing equipment, smoke or fire doors, smoke ventilation equipment, smoke or fire dampers, closing the ventilation, elevator control, safety doors, Operation or malfunction of an auxiliary device should not compromise the operation of the fire detection system or prevent it from signaling other auxiliary devices. Operation of other fire protection system is automatic fire extinguishing systems, smoke and heat control systems, systems that trigger the release and closing of fire doors, and sound evacuation systems. Integration to fire detection system with fire extinguishing system. If a gas extinguishing system is installed in a building, if there is a detection and warning system in the building, the alarm and fault outputs of the extinguishing system are connected to the fire alarm system and monitored with separate regional indicators. It's connected to fire detection system with fire and fault relays on extinguishing systems and can be monitored as a separate zone. Thank you for your participation to our webinar. If you have questions about this webinar or before week's webinars, you can feel free to ask me from chat box.